Every line, every curve drawn close, crafted with one purpose: perfection.
Now let's walk around back at plate, where the X2 makes its boldest statement.
The cockpit of the 2026 X2 wraps around the driver like a command center. Every element reach equals. The BMW Curved Display is the centerpiece of X2's tech universe. Crisp, seamless, and with Mordio Ritz. Rear passengers are equally pampered faff, surprising space in a coupe SUV body, with fold-down arm. The X2 doesn't compromise practicality for style pull. 560 liters of boot space, with 40-20-20 horse. At night, the X2 transforms whole. 64 colors of ambient lighting create sound performance worthy of the stage. The Harman Kardon surround sound system delivers 205 watts through 12 speakers.
At First Motors, the 2026 BMW X2 sits among royalty file, the finest BMW's money can.
M4's performance lineage is written into the X2's DNA. Shared driving philosophy, shared passion for the road.
Even the floor becomes part of the showroom theater at First Motors. Every reflection, a frame-worthy moment.
As night falls at First Motors, the X2 refuses to fade into the background. Pearl of spruce. Even the door handle is an event. Touch it, and the X2 greets you with its BMW welcome ibis. From above, the showroom tells its own story to us, and at the center of every story, the